Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Toyota Supra A70 from Tarmac Works. There's an illustration of a garage as the background for the car, which looks really good. And it also includes the collector's card, and this is car number 36, which is a really low number. So let's take a look at the car now. The base has the name of the car and a road design printed on it. The car is really well detailed. You can see the Japanese license plate, the lights and the different air intakes. The logo on the bumper is a decal and it looks really nice. The car is equipped with the Volk Racing TA37 alloy wheels, and you can see the brake disc and caliper behind it. There's also the 3-liter GT Turbo A decal on the door. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed and all the logos here are decals. There are the defroster lines on the rear windshield as well. The front wipers are not separate but are molded in with the windshield, and the rear one is just printed on it. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster from here. The steering wheel is also really well detailed. There are red racing bucket seats in the front with a green seat belt which has the Takata branding on it. And looking at the dashboard from the passenger side, you can see the radio and the AC vents from here. You can also see that the seats have the Recaro branding on top of the headrest. You can't see much of the interior through the rear glass as there's a slight tint to it. The rear view mirrors have chrome inserts in them and they reflect really well. There's also the IRVM, which again has a chrome insert. So here's the car out of its base and it looks really nice. The undercarriage is really well detailed and there's silver paint on the exhaust muffler. Both the front and rear wheels do not roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.